Peruru Jaru. Anyone says, I will bring you the good days. It indicates his group's good days are in your hands. That what happened in India. Assurances are given on the basis of self-surety of dividends. Modi government finished its 7 years. India's reputation also finished on the world view. The GDP brought down to less than 7, reached -8 now. Even in corona pandemic period, corporates gained a lot and the middle class slipped to BPL. All political parties wants the gaining too, but maintained something harmony. BJP rule maintained money, demolished harmony and constitutional values. Bad intentions, puppets, looks pretty, but petty the reality. Cunningness also the intellectuality, for own gain, not for the society. Remember it.